physiotherapist. So it was, so they helped me, they said that they will help me to study, complete my diversional therapy course. And as they said that, okay, you can come in here. They're very supportive they were to get me a job in there. I got a full-time job, and after so as I got my job, I got my contract. Next month I put my residency, and within 6 months I got my residency through.
Do you think that diversional therapist was related to your physiotherapist? That's why you got the job?
Yes. The only reason why, see, postgraduate diploma in health management, any management study does not link with physiotherapy. There is no connection at all with it. But then I was lucky to find a way through diversional therapy. So it is same, mostly the same path, but a different approach. So, but anyway, it's the same. So my work experience during my residency, my work experience in physiotherapy was counted, and that helped me gain my points as well.
And whether do you have to study any, like you were saying, did you study any diversional therapy?
Yes, I had to go for 18 months course for diversional therapy, but then the company supported me to do that.
What was that program?
It was a community facilitator level 4 and 5 course it was.
And you studied it through ITO?
Industry
training?
No, yes, I studied through Career Force. Yeah, that's okay. Similar, yeah.
Yeah. And then once you got that, and then you came back to Rotorua again?
Yes, so once I got my residency through, I was working there in a dementia unit for 2 years, and then I was offered a job in Bupa in here as again a team leader for activities. So I came to.
So what is your current job now?
I'm the team leader for activities. I'm the activities coordinator.
And again here diversional therapy and your physiotherapy from India is getting.
Yeah. So physiotherapy in India helped me. The experience in physiotherapy helped me get my residency through, and my diversional therapy program I completed within 8 months. So I'm a qualified diversional therapist as well now.
Excellent. Yeah. And I think that's what I always talk to these students over there, like you can come on a course, and that doesn't mean that course will get you the job.
Yes.
Sometime that course will get you to New Zealand. So management qualification always helps when you are growing professionally. The management qualification always gives you some of the more tools to succeed in life, but then your previous experience, previous qualification also helps you in getting the residency.
Yes, it does. So so we have a wrong misconception that when you come in here, when you study management course, you are going to get through as a manager or a team leader when you pass, you finish your course. That's not right. You have to work through it for any manager's position, not even managers, any team leader's position. You should have an experience for at least 4 years to get into that role. So you come in here. So physiotherapy, as a physiotherapist, it is very hard to get my registration through in New Zealand because I have to go, the New Zealand Physiotherapy Board is very strict. So we have to gain a lot of hours in India and all that, and they don't recognize it much in here. So the only way is to divert a little bit and get into some other profession that would help us. So like rehabilitation coach or support workers or diversional therapist, or in this position you can get through and your physiotherapy experience counts, and you can get through your residency as well.
So Shalini, I just wanted to ask you, like, what message you want to give to the husbands who are coming with the spouses here. So I have seen a lot of time husband put a lot of pressure on the wives also to work, to study and all those things, and like but I have seen in your case you have been very supportive of Raiba, and that is I think one of the main reasons she is so successful now. So I know you have done very well, but like what still you want to give any message to the people who are coming from India?
It is very good to come as a couple in here rather than coming as a person, because that for me as a student it just took a lot of pressure for me to so Shalin helped me. That financial struggle was there, but with his full-time study, he could help me.
So that the student, the partner, she can concentrate on her studies, assignments, projects.
Because it's not easy to finish your assignments. It's very hard. So you had to work really hard to get your.
And to live as a couple in the room expense and everything is quite shared.
So
it's quite expensive than a single person. If you live as a couple, it's different. You have to rent a house or rent a
So Raiba, any sort of last message for all the physiotherapy students around the world who are looking at New Zealand? So what do you have to say to them?
I believe that. I want to say something is that you would not get your physiotherapy registration in here. It is very hard to get it through, but you can always opt for another option. Come in here, study, and divert a little bit, study and work through your residency. Once you get your residency through, you can go and get your physiotherapy done. It would be much easier once your residency is done, because they prefer somebody who's here and who's got that experience in here. So when I do have lots of friends coming to me and asking about can a physiotherapist come in here and study, so I would say it is pretty hard to get your registration, but definitely it's not impossible to get your residency. So better to have your residency and then registration, so it would work. It has worked for me. I was quite lucky to get a job and slowly work into, but the struggle is real. Struggle is really
The
real
struggle
in
is
here.
there
It's
always.
yeah, it's there. But then when you look, so when I look back and I think, oh my God, I've struggled a lot, but I have got my residency. I've got my permanent residency. Within 2 years, I'm going to get my citizenship.
And
so,
you
yeah.
got your first baby.
I've got
Yeah.
my first baby, and she's a citizen in
Citizen,
here,
yeah.
so it works really well. And and it's a very beautiful place. People are very supportive and lovely and very cooperative in
And
here.
Rotorua is like a hometown
Yeah,
for us. That's
we-
why we came back to Rotorua after 2
Absolutely,
years.
absolutely.
Yeah.
This
We must
it is a very good
Very good
community in
community
here.
here.
We have got a good support in here, good
Very
friends
quiet
in
and
here.
peaceful.
Yeah, very quiet and peaceful, and yeah.
We love that.
Excellent. No, thank you very much, guys. Thanks for
Thank you.
sharing your experience.
Thank you.
God bless you all, and God bless all of you staying anywhere in the world. Stay safe and healthy. So we need to come through this tough times, and I think we will come through this
Yes.
very soon. Thank